Hello students, in this lecture I am going to explain you computer network models. So first of all understand that what is the network engineering. Network engineering is a complicated task which involves software, firmware, chip level engineering, hardware and electronic pulses. To is network engineering, the whole networking concept is divided in multiple layers, and each layer is involved in some particular task and is independent. Okay, so what I have told you, network engineering, we divide the whole networking concept in multiple layers, and each layer perform a particular is independent of the others. Okay, so in this lecture I am going to explain you OSI model of the network engineering. Interconnected is an open standard for all communication OSI. ISO, the full form of ISO is this model has 7 layers. These layers are first of all application layer, second is presentation layer, third is session layer, is transport layer, then link layer, and last is physical layer. So I'm going to explain you one by one these. Layer provide to the application's user. This layer possesses protocol by which user directly interact to each other. Means in applications layer, data is transmitted applications. So this layer is responsible providing interface to the applications. Next is presentation layer. Presentation layer of remote host should be presented in the native format of host. Okay. So this layer defines how the native format of remote host should be presented in the native format of host. Next is session layer. This layer maintains sessions between remote host. For means that once the user password authentication is done, then the remote host maintains this session while does not ask for the authentication again in the given time of span. Here in transport layer, this layer is responsible for end-to-end delivery of information between the host. This layer is responsible for end-to-end delivery between host. Next is network layer. Network layer converts the information into packets, and these packets are delivered from between the two hosts. Services, one is connection oriented and other is connection less services. And the network layer for the unique addressing of host in a given network. So this layer is responsible for assignment uniquely host in a network. Next layer is data link layer. In data link layer, the informations are transmitted in frames, and data link layer are also responsible for the data consumption control and detection of error and corrections of error. It also controls the errors. So data link layer, this layer is responsible for reading, writing data from and onto the line it also controls errors. The last layer is physical layer. In physical layer, the data is transmitted in the form of bit. Okay, so physical layer deals with hardware, cables and device in physical forms. So this layer defines the hardware, cabling, wiring, power output, pulse rate, etc. So students, these are the 7 layers by which we configure the network models. For watching this video.